Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to install ink cartridges into Canon Pixma TS5151. Subscribe to Signal Guru and let's go. So first of all, power up your printer, and if the cartridges are not installed, you will see this message on the screen: print head is not installed, install the print head. To do this, you need to put up the wall scanning unit to open the printer. Next, if the cartridge holder is not in the middle of the printer so that you can easily access the slots, wait for it to completely move out from the right corner and completely stop. Now you can see two cartridge slots. The left one is labeled C, which means color cartridge, and the right one is labeled B for black cartridge. Now gently press on the slot's handle and pull up to open the lid. Repeat for the second slot. Next, prepare your cartridges for the installation. So unbox them and remove protective materials. New cartridges normally have protection film with orange ribbon over here on the contacts and here on the print head. So remove the protective materials and make sure you never touch the print head or the contacts with your finger, otherwise cartridge could not work. Now take the color cartridge and gently glide it down to the left slot. So now it's fixed, so you can close the lid and repeat the same action for the right slot with the black cartridge. Just glide it down very slightly and that's it. Just close the lid, and now you can close the lid of the scanning unit and start using your printer. Remember one thing: do not start using your printer while something is moving and makes sounds under hood. So wait for the printer to stop make any sounds, wait for it to get quiet, and after this you can start printing, scanning, copying, and so on. That's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. If yes, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Goodbye.